Assalamu alaikum. Grade 10, page 508. Please open your book, your notes, and get ready to start on this lecture on page 508. We will start now with the sectors and arcs. Sectors and arcs of a circle. We have to find the circumference and we have to find the area of the arc. Let's see what does he mean with the arc. What does he mean with arc? What's he meant with arc? He said it's formed by two radiuses and part of a circumference. What does he mean? He means like that, okay? This is a radius, this is another radius, and this is the arc. This is the arc. This piece here is the arc. This is the radius r, and this is the arc. And we have this angle, of course, theta. You have to know theta. Because if theta it's getting bigger, arc will get bigger too. If theta is small, arc is small. So they are proportional. And it's a very easy object, okay? So arc is a fraction of a circle. This is a circle, for example, and the arc is, this is the center O, and arc is a fraction of the circle. We need the length of this little arc here. This is how we're gonna work. What does he say? He said, okay, this angle here, the whole angle, okay, the whole circle angle is still 360. So the fraction of the arc is equal to theta over 360. This is fraction of the circle. So if we need the length of the sector here, so it's a fraction of the circumference. Circumference is equal to pi O times d. This is the circumference. Or d is 2r. Okay, so it means theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, where r is the radius and d is the diameter. This is the circumference, we had it before. This is the circumference of the circle. It's either pi d or 2 pi r, where d is the diameter and r is the radius. Let's now go to example number 14, okay, and find the arc length. Let's see what did he do here. He's not doing good. Example number 14. Example number 14. Okay, here we have this arc here. He said this angle is equal to how much? 60. This angle is 60 centigrade, okay? And this is 12 centimeter. And this is the arc. Okay, this is the center of the circle. Find the length of the arc. As we said that, okay, the length of the arc, okay, is called the fraction of the circle. It's okay. Let me say it's L, the length of the arc. It's equal to 60 theta divided by the whole angle of a circle, which is 360. This is the fraction of the angle we have, multiplied by pi d or 2 pi r. This is 12 centimeter, so it will be multiplied by 2 pi, and r is 12. Okay, this is okay. This will be equal 1 over 6 L equal. Okay, we cancel this. It will be 1 over 6 multiplied by, this is 24. 2 multiplied by 24, 24 by 6. Okay, this will be 24 pi. Okay, which is equal to the length, okay, that is equal to 4. Okay, this is 4. 24 divided by this 4 pi. This is the length of the sector. Very easy topic. Let's do maybe one or two of the examples here. This is an example. Let's do some exercises. Let's take exercise, for example, number 1, okay? Okay, 40 divided by 1. Okay, we can pick up any one of them, okay? Alright. Let's take this one, okay? For example, let's take number B, 1. Number B, okay? Number 1B, number 1B. He said, find the circumference, okay, find the length of this, the length of the arc. This is what he has. Okay. Okay, how much this one? This one is 20 centimeter. Find the arc. This is the arc. Find it. Alright, as we said, okay, how much? Okay, how about theta here? Theta here is clear. Start from here. Okay, let's say this is the center. Okay, so it starts from here. It's 180. So it will be 1 theta over 360. Theta over 360 multiplied by the circumference of the circle, which is C. So it will be, this is 120. 180, sorry, 180 divided by 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by d, the diameter. What's the diameter here? The diameter here is 20. Okay. Here, C, the circumference is equal to pi multiplied by d. This is pi and this is d. So just multiplication, normal multiplication. This will be half, okay? This is, of course, will be 0.5. 0.5 times 20, it will be 10. So it will be 10 pi. This is 0.5 multiplied by 20, it will be 20. So it will be 10 pi centimeter. 10 multiplied 3.41, it will be 34.1 centimeter. You can write it either you use pi or use that as 3.14, as you like. Both of them are right. Okay, let's do number B number 1. Let's do B number. Okay, let's do B number 3. Okay, B number 3. Let's do number 3. B3. Let's look at it. Let's take a look at it, okay? It's like this. Okay, this is 45. This is the arc. Okay, this is 10 centimeters. Again, find the length of the arc. It will be 45 divided by 360 multiplied by 2. Okay, multiplied by pi multiplied by r, which is 10. It will be, okay, this will be 1 over 45 will be 1 over 8. 1 over 8. Yeah, 1 over 8, 90. Okay, 1 over 8 multiplied by, alright, by 10 by 20. 5. So it will be 20 divided by 8. 20 divided by 8. It will be 216, 2.5. So it will be 2.5 pi. This is, okay, But now, suppose that he wants, okay, just take a look at it before I erase. Okay, but suppose we want to find the area. The area. Again, it will be 1.6, okay, it will be 45 divided by 60. Take a look. 45 divided by 60 multiplied by the area of the circle. So it will be 45 divided by 60 multiplied by area, which is pi r square. Pi r how much is 10, so 10 square. Okay. Okay, maybe you have to find it with your own calculator. This is 1 over 8 multiplied by 100. So this will be, okay, 100 divided by 60. 100 divided, this is 1 over 8. Okay, 1 over 8, 100 divide pi. You divide that only, okay? Okay, maybe this is enough about it. It's the same thing, okay? If we go to page 510, it's talking about the same thing. I really don't see why it's called sector arcs 1 and 2. It's the same principle, same topic. Let's do an example and then take the exercise. So let's go to page 510. Okay, page 510, same principle. Okay, let's take the example 15. Okay, calculate the arc length and the area of the sector in the diagram. We have this diagram here. This is 28. Okay, and this is 5 centimeter. And this is the arc. Find the arc, find the length and the area of the sector. That's fine. Okay, this will be theta divided by 360. So 28 divided by 360 multiplied by the circumference of the circuit, which is 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by r, 5 multiplied by 5. That will be, okay, it will be 2.4 centimeter. It's equal to 2.4 centimeter. Its area, this is C. Okay, let's call L, the length of the sector. Let's talk about the area of the sector. Area, it will be 28 divided by 360 multiplied by the area of the circle, which is pi r square, which is pi times r, which is 5 squared, which is 25. It will be equal to, the area will be 6.1 centimeter square. Same principle as we had on previously. Let's do a few exercises now. Okay. Alright, let me erase it, please. So exercise 27J, exercise 27J number 1. Okay, for each calculate the arc length and the sector. Let's see, this is the sector here, this is 40. Okay, he needs the length. It's very easy, it's very simple as we said. Okay, That will be 40 divided by 360. What's the radius here? Okay, this is 8 centimeter. The radius is 8 centimeter multiplied by the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r, which is 8. Okay, here this is 1 over, okay, this 0 is 0, this is 1, and this is 9. Okay, so and this is, so it will be 16. It will be, okay, 4 times 2, it's 8, okay, 4 is gone, this is 9, so it will be 9, and this is 16. 16 over 9 pi. It will be 1.77 pi. You can use pi as 3.14 and you can get it, okay? This is number 8. Okay, this is the length, L, the length of the sector. Let's get the area of the sector again. Okay, it will be 440 divided by 360 multiplied by the area of the circle, which is pi r square, which is 8 square. Okay, this will be 22.3 centimeter square. Take a look before I erase, please. It's very simple topic. This is, when it comes in the exam, this is just a gift. So please don't lose this gift. Let me choose something else, okay? Something a little bit different. Let me choose number 5. Number 5. Number 5, exercise 5. We got the circle here. Okay, and this is $160. And he wants to find the arc of A. Okay, he said this is B and this is C. A, B, C. Okay, so we get to get this big arc here. This could be solved by 2 ways. Okay, I will just do the first way now. Okay, what's the angle here? This is ABC. This is the angle here, which is 360 minus 160 will be 200. So this angle here is 200. So now we can solve it just in the normal way. Okay, it will be 300. Okay, it will be 200 divided by 360. Okay, multiplied by the circumference. What's the radius here? Is it 12.5? This is 12.5 multiplied by 2 pi r, which is 12.5. Okay, it will be 43.6 centimeter, I believe. Its area A will be 200 divided by 360 divided by pi divided by r square, 12.5 square. You have to finish the calculation. It's just use your calculator. Okay, it's the same principle. I do not see anything different. Okay, I do not see anything difficult here. Let's go to the page 512. Page 512. page 512. The volume of a pyramid. Pyramid, you know what's pyramid? In Arabic we say a haram. Okay, this is the pyramid. Okay, it's got a base. The base could be triangle, it could be rectangular, it could be square. Okay, but it has but the sides are triangles. The sides are triangles, and they met in one vertex. Okay, but from the base it could be like that. Okay, so the area of the pyramid is equal to third AH. The area of the pyramid is called third AH. Where H, this H, okay, where A is the area of the base. Okay, H is the height of the pyramid. Is the height of the pyramid. So the area of the pyramid, sorry, it's not the area, it's the volume. The volume of the pyramid. Okay, we are talking about the volume. Volume of the pyramid. The volume of the pyramid is equal to third A area of the base multiplied by H, the height of the pyramid. Let's take, for example, okay, and the base could be rectangular, it could be triangle, it could be square. It could be any of those, okay? Okay, let's go to example number 16. Number 16, page 512, number 16, example. Okay, calculate the volume of a pyramid. He gave me the pyramid. Alright, this is the pyramid. Okay, it's got the base. This is the base, okay? The base is 5 times, so the base is rectangular. This is 5, this is 6 centimeter, okay? And the height is how much he said? 6 centimeter, okay? 5 and this is 4. This is 4 and the height is 6 centimeter. So he gave me the base is 5 and 4 centimeters, the length and the width, and the height is 6 centimeters. So its volume V equal 1/3 A, the area of the base, multiplied by H, the height. So the volume will be equal 1/3 A, the area of the base. It's rectangular, so 5 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 4, multiplied by H, which is 6. So volume will be, this is centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So it gives me the answer in centimeter cubic. So it will be 20 times 20 times 6, that will be 40 centimeter cubic. That's all. Very easy. Let's go to example number 17. You can follow me in the book. Example number 17. The pyramid with the square base of a side 8 centimeter. Okay, square. So square. That is square. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now this is triangle, this is triangle, this is triangle. Alright. So alright, and the height. What did he give me? The pyramid of square base centimeter has a volume of 320. So volume equal 320. And okay, the area of the base area is a square equal 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16 centimeter square. So volume equal 1/3 AH. So 1/3 A how much is 16? Okay, multiplied by H equal 320. Okay, so how do you get rid of this 3? Just multiply it by 3 both sides. So if multiply by 3 here, it will be 16H equal, this is multiplied by 3, this will be 9, this will be 6. So H will be 960 divided by 16, which is 15. Okay? Take a look before I erase. Now let's go to if you want to do any of this, okay? It's the simple, that's why I don't see it. If I want to make problem a little bit difficult, it could be okay. But anyway, okay, you can stay like that. Maybe when we meet together, I will give you more complicated a little bit. But now this is okay. This is enough now. As a principle, this is enough. But we can get it a little bit complicated if we want to, and we will do it. But when we meet together again, inshallah. Okay, now let's do the volume and surface of a cone. Alright, we have a cone, the cone is like that. Okay, but the base is circular. The base is circular. This is the cone, okay? So it has a height. Maybe like this, okay? Okay, this is the cone, okay? It has a height h. So the same principle as the pyramid. Volume equal third A H. Third there. Okay, what's the area of the circle? So it will be volume equal 1/3 area usually is pi r squared. This is r. So it was pi r squared. This is r, the radius, multiplied by h. Okay? And the surface area of a cone, okay, here he gives the surface area of the cone is equal pi r L or pi r h. Pi r h. This is the surface of the cone and this is the volume of the cone. Let's do exercise number 18. Okay, for example, number 18. Okay, here he gives us for the cone in the diagram. Calculate its volume, its total surface area. Give the answer, okay, in terms of pi. Give the answers in terms of pi. Let's see the cone. Let me draw the cone. This is the cone here. Okay, the radius is 6 centimeters. Okay, and the height is 8 centimeters. Alright. He wants the volume. Volume, I'm going to say it's equal to 3rd pi r squared h. So volume is equal 1/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r square, which is 6 square. This is the area of the base, okay? Pi times 6 square, this is the area. This is the area of the circle, okay? Multiplied by 8. Right, will be that will be equal to 96 pi. Okay, 96 in terms of pi centimeter square. The surface area of the cone, we said it's equal pi RH. Okay, it's equal pi RH. Pi R L. This is the surface this is the curved surface, okay? This is the curved surface. Curved surface. But we have to add the surface of the base, which is pi r square, which is plus pi r square. Okay, so this is the surface. It's equal to surfaces, okay? Okay, this is the curved surface. You can see it from the sides for this one, plus the surface of the circle. So, two of them, okay? So, just take a look before I erase. I have to erase, sorry. Alright. So, S equal to, okay, pi RL, 3, okay, pi, leave it pi. Okay, R is 6. Okay, and L is 8. Plus pi r square, pi times 6 square. Okay, that will be 96 centimeters square. That will be 96 centimeter square. Maybe next time we'll do a few exercises and we will move to the volume of a surface area of a sphere, and then we'll finish this chapter next time, okay? Maybe tomorrow inshallah, or the day after tomorrow. So God bless you. ربي يحفظكم inshallah. I will see you